Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be going through the steps of taking an AR test. So after getting to the AR website, you're going to click I am a student. Then you're going to type in your username, in your password, and then number 3, click the login button. After that, you're going to click on the orange accelerated reader button. Next, you're going to type in the title, author, or quiz number of the book. If you notice next to number 1, there's the place where you want to type in the title, author, or quiz number. Then number 2, you're going to click the search button. Then you're going to get some results back on different books. Just make sure to match your book title and book picture and make sure the book is in English. Then you're going to click the Take Quiz button next to your book. Next, you want to make sure that that's the book you want to take a test on and click Reading Practice if there's more than one quiz type that you can take. And then you want to select how the book was read to you. Was it read to, read with, or read by yourself? Then you want to turn on or off the voice recorder depending on what your teacher decides that your class needs to do. Then number 2, you're going to click the Start Quiz button. Then you're going to start reading the questions and selecting an answer for your question. Then you're going to click the Next button, and that'll take you to all the next questions. After you're done taking your quiz, you will select how many stars you want to give your book, and this does not affect your quiz score at all. Once you've given your book your stars, then you're going to click the Next button. Finally, you get to see what you got on the quiz. If you look at number 1, it'll tell you if you passed or failed the quiz. Number 2 will tell you what percent you got. Number 3 tells you how many points you earned. After you see all this, you're going to click number 4, which is the Next button. And then you get to see your flower. And if you see next to number 1, we have the sun. We want to make sure the sun stays on. If it turns off, that means your average went below 85. And then you have to take some more tests to get it to turn back on. And number 2, you see that our flower starts to fill up. The more points we get, the more our flower gets filled up and grows. Finally, to make sure we log off, if you look at the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will see your name. Click on your name and then click Log Out. So these are some steps to taking an AR quiz. I hope you take lots of quiz and enjoy reading.